Alright guys, quick little update on my 2002 Dodge Ram 1500. So I finally got the cage in, so my stereo is now in there, good. And my brother has a 2017 Ram 1500 that had the stock subwoofer in it, so I fitted it in my truck, and box shape is actually the same. As you can see, factory A, which I am going to replace that for 8-inch Rockville. Hooked up to my 1000-watt Alpine amp. Now this is wired to 2 ohms because it's a dual voice coil. Wired to 2 ohms, hooked up to a 1000-watt Alpine amp, but I do have the gain levels turned down so it will not blow the sub up. But once I get my a Rockville sub to put in this factory box and get some polyfill, then I'll retune the amp to about 230 watts at 2 ohms. Well, I mean not 2 ohms, but 4 ohms. But yeah, so now if it's a decent little sound system in here. So, and it does make it a little bit of a difference in terms of the amount of bass that my stereo that the whole entire system overall makes. So, but yeah, so if you ever own a 2002 to 2005, well actually no, 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500, then the box from a 4th gen 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 will fit in the 3rd gen because the shape is all the same. So yeah, so thank you for watching.